kind of a rainy day here in Ohio, and that happens once in a while, but I always tell my buyers it's a good day to go look at a house because this is a new build. It's been around for 1 year, and we want to see how does the basement do with rain. And we had a lot of rain. We had some flood warnings, so this is a great day to see how Pulte did at building this house. And I expect to see a dry basement. On the way, we're going to show you everything else this house has to offer, so let's go take a look. Upgraded flooring, so you know it's going to last a long time. You don't have to worry about any builder grade stuff here. This is top notch, over $60,000 in upgrades. So if you want to build a house and you want to get a great deal, why don't you consider this home? It's basically new, 1 year old. Let's go take a look. This room is great, very flexible. You could use it as an office. You could turn it into a formal dining room. If you wanted to, you could even wall it off and have another bedroom. Pulte is one of the #1 home designers in this area, and they make great use of the space. As you can see here, it's a completely open floor plan. So when you're hanging out with the family, your kitchen is right there, access to the patio is right there. You could have a nice breakfast table here if you would like. If you decide to make this your dining area, you could do that as well. You have tons of natural light just pouring into this living area. You don't even need the lights on. Your little oasis is right outside, and what a great opportunity for a new build. So if you're looking to move close to Cleveland and you haven't considered Lorain County, this is right on the border, and it's kind of one of those best kept secrets. Let's go take a look upstairs. Upstairs we have this fabulous loft. So if you need to have some separation from like kids who are hanging out and playing, they can come up here, or maybe you'll come up here and send them downstairs, whichever works for your family. We also have almost 2,300 square feet of living space, not including the basement. Okay, and like I promised, we're going to take a look at the basement and see how it's doing. So we have a full basement. We also have a rough-in plumbing place right here where you could actually add a whole nother living space with a bathroom. We've already started with the finished ceiling. We've got the drywall up. It's just your imagination. That's all that needs to happen. This home also comes with the builder's warranty, so you're set for a very long time. Thank you so much for stopping by today. This home is a great opportunity if you're looking for a ready-to-go home. Call me if you want to set up a showing, and I look forward to meeting you then. Bye.